Hello and welcome to the walking talking topic on transformations, question number 3 with me, Mr. Barton. Now look at this, a 4 marker. We need to make sure we pick up all 4 marks on this question. And this is a very common question these days when they ask you to do 2 types of transformations on a shape. So let's have a look. Reflect triangle A in the x-axis and label it B, and then rotate B, that's your new shape, 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. Label your final answer C. Right, let's go for it. So we're going to reflect it in the x-axis, so that's going to be that line there. So again, every point is going to be twice as far away. So let's take this point here, it's 2 away, so it's not going to be twice as far away, it's going to be the same distance away on the other side. So this point here is 2 away from the line, so let's go 2 away from the line there and get ourselves a new point there. This point here is 2 away from the line, so let's go 2 away from the line. And then be careful, don't gamble and draw your triangle in the same way because you're going to lose a load of marks here. Let's check this point, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away, so let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away. And then we get ourselves a triangle that looks like this. So let's join it up, nice little diagonal line, do it with a ruler, keep things neat and tidy. And you should get something that looks like that, and we'll label it B. And then it says take triangle B and rotate it 90 degrees about the origin. Again, I really struggle to picture these, so I always use my tracing paper. Remember, it's your legal right to ask for your tracing paper in your exam. So we've got to go 90 degrees, so that's a quarter turn, and we've got to go clockwise, the way the hands on a clock go round. So let's go 90 degrees. Let's go clockwise. I'm going to put my pen at the, and it's at the origin, which is at point 0, 0. So here we go, quarter turn, turn it round, and it looks like that to me, looks a quarter turn. If you struggle judging, by the way, what a quarter turn is, notice my paper is kind of horizontal going along there. I want to turn it until that side is vertical, so I know it's turned exactly 90 degrees. And then I tend to just try and spot coordinates, so I think that one's -2, -8, and that's -2, -2. -2, -2, -2, -8. Pop that out, it's looking good. And that one I think is 6 -2. Let's pop that on. And then I always pop it back just to check. Yep, I think that one's lined up nicely. So let's drill that down there, and let's label that C. That is actually going to be enough to get us the 4 marks, but I'll tell you one thing to watch out for. Often I've seen questions where they then say describe the single transformation that can get you from triangle A to triangle C. So how can you get from there to there in one go? Watch out for ones like that, and if they do ask you something like that, just play around. Is it possible to get there in a reflection, or is it possible to get there in a rotation? And all you need to do is just try a few things out. So let's pop triangle A on there. Is it a rotation that will get me there in one go? Let's spin it round. No, I don't think it's going to be that. So maybe it is going to be a reflection in the line y equals -x. So just watch out for those combined transformations questions that then ask you to do a single transformation to get there. Very common questions.